Happy Monday, friends. So I have a question for you. I'm sitting here waiting for my clients, and here is the question of the day. Today is June 5th. I honestly cannot believe it's June 5th, but it is. In 2 days, we are supposed to have an announcement regarding what's going to happen with interest rates. So brace yourself and let's talk about it. What do you think is going to happen with interest rates? Do you think that they're going to go up, down, or stay steady, stay still where they are? Now, frankly, this one's really hard to gauge. I don't think it's going to go down. Let's rule that out right off the bat. I don't think it's going to go down. I think that there's a low likelihood of it staying still. And I really, sadly to say, I really do think it's going to go up. Now, why is that, you may ask? That's for a few reasons. One of which is the lack of inventory on our current market. We do not have a lot of inventory. And in effect, what has happened because of that is price points have gone up because demand has gone up. So, the whole reason interest rates started going up in the first place is because we're trying, well, not me, but the government, the Bank of Canada, is trying to combat inflation. With the price points going up with multiple bids, they are trying to, once again, combat inflation. And so, for me, I kind of think there's a possibility that interest rates might go up because they're trying to, once again, slow the market. So what are your thoughts?